All right, boys and girls, what we're going to be doing today is playing a game called Boneyard Bowling. And so what you guys are going to have are these skeletons right here. You're going to have a dry erase marker so that if you make any marks, you can actually use a tissue paper and get it cleaned off. So, in this game, you're going to bowl and try to knock over a pin. If you knock over the pin, you come over to it. Now notice I got femur right here. And it's also highlighted on the back. I'm going to pick up my pin and put it back here, run it back. And what I do, I'm going to hand it to Mrs. Sink. Now I'm going to locate the femur right here and circle it. I know that the femur is the longest bone in the body. Now Mrs. Sink is going to go. And she knocked, oh my gosh! She knocked over 3. Let's see what she knocked over.
I got fibula. I got humerus. And I got vertebrae. All right.
So she's going to come back over here. She doesn't throw the ball to me. And she gets to circle all 3 of those bones while I go. Now, the way the game can be ruined is if students do not pick up their pins. So make sure that you watch your ball roll until it finishes, because you might get, like Mrs. Sink, 3 down. You need to pick up all of those pins as well. Now watch the purple ball. It knocks over a pin. The boy in the striped shirt runs over, gets his ball, stacks the pin, but before he does that, he looks at what bone he knocked over. He comes over, hands off the ball, and then will circle that he knocked over a pin that was covering up the cranium. First team to uncover all bones wins.